Music metaphysics. Music metaphysics. What is music metaphysics? Well, music is the science of frequencies. You say you're a musician, you're really a scientist. And we're scientists. Music is the science of frequencies and vibrations and organized sound. Right? So if you're a musician, you're actually more than just, like say, an entertainer, and so you're really a scientist, really, because you're manipulating sound, controlling sound, you're participating in sound. And as we're studying our music metaphysics study, we're going to know that everyone is a musician, everyone, because the whole universe is a symphony. The Big Bang is like when we were born, right? And we're participants in this orchestra. And if you're a musician, if you're studying to be a musician, a real musician, then you need to know this. All right? In the ancient days, there was no disconnection between these two. All right, so I'm going to tell you a story. In the ancient days in Africa, which is the earliest civilization of our humanity, right? So if you look on some of the pyramids, they knew this. There's inscriptions, there's maps of the stars, and music, as you know, is at the center of African culture. I mean, I'm not talking about the music, but the music period is always going to be at the center of culture, right? Now, I'm talking about the ancient days. In the ancient days, they knew about the connection between so-called music and metaphysics. I don't know what they called it back then, but there's an inscription, all right, in the Temple of Dendara that says, "The sky and the stars make music in you." All right? So this is old, really, and as you know, in our school, we are the first to create or reinvent this system and develop this new system, which I call the United Music Science Wheel, which you're studying, this course that you're studying right now.